So friends, in the today's video we will see how we can create a magical search box with the help of Excel formula and function. If you see that I have already data over here, and in the sheet name new data, if I write anything in the search bar, for example I write a name Kate, Kate, and the similar data matching to the item that I have typed over here, it is populating over here. So let us start all over again and create this magical search bar. So what I'm going to do, I am going to delete this sheet, and now we have this data. I have few name ranges that I have already created here, so I am deleting these ranges also. Now I have deleted this. Now let us start all over again. First of all, what we will do, we will just copy and paste these headers to a new sheet and just resize the width of these columns. Like this. I'm going to use a color red over here, and font color I'll use white. Now also I'll remove the border if any. Now let us create a search bar. For that I'll go to insert tab, and there is a shape, this round corner shape. I'll use this one and just make it like this, and I'll just select this, and shape fill I'll use the option no fill, and in the shape outline I'll use the this color outline over here. Now just right click, copy, and again right click and paste. Now what I am going to do, I am put it on top of this and just resize this one like this, because I'm going to use this rectangle to use a search icon, and in the shape format I'll use the color as this fill color. Now what, just go to insert tab, under illustration we can use the icon, and we'll use the icon of search icon over here. I'll just type search. So let's see if it, yeah, this one, we can use this one. Now just resize this so that it can easily be placed under this rectangle, and you can use any color. I'll use the white color over here. Now what I'm going to do, under the developer tab and under this insert option, we have this text box option over here under the ActiveX control. Just select this and drag over to here like this one. All right, now what we will do, click on properties, and under special effect option we will use the option as this one, 0 option, special effect flat. Just use this one and just close this. Now what we will do, just click on this text box and again click on properties. Now we will link this text box by writing here A1. So now this text box will be linked to A1 cell. If anything I'll write over here, let's click on design mode first so that we can write over here in text box. So whatever I will write over here, it will appear in the A1 text because this text box is linked to the A1 text, right? Now we have used the text box, we have used the icons, and we have the text box that we have used from the ActiveX controls, and we have linked that text box with the A1 cell. So whatever I am writing over here, it will appear in the A1 text. Now what else? now we will be using this data to be populated in this sheet 3. So let us name this sheet as, so if I write a formula over here is equal to and select this data, the whole data, and hit enter, it will populate all the data over here. So if you see the formula, this is the data that we are going to use, and the data is like from the data sheet from A2 cell to H37, right? Now we are going to name this range. So just select this one, go to formula bar, and under name manager option, click on new. We will name this range as whole data, and I'll copy and I will paste this formula over here. Just fix this cell and OK and close. Now if instead of selecting the whole range, if I just use the name of the range, that is whole data, and hit enter, it will populate all the data. And another thing, we are going to use these names. We are going to use these names in our filter formula. So we are going to use these names in our filter formula. So let's select this range and name this as name range, enter. Okay, as if now we have created two name range. One is the whole data and another one is name range. Now whatever I am typing over here, for example I am typing here as T, it is populating over here. So let us use this range and give it a name. So I'll give it a name as search underscore text. Now this is search text. This whole data is named by the name of whole data, and this will be our name range. We will be using all these ranges in our formula. Which formula? Let us write over here is equal to filter. In array we will use the whole data, comma, include what we are going to use. We will use name range is equal to what? The search text. So I'll use it as a search text, bracket close and enter. And we just miss one argument over here, and if there is nothing found, we will use the double quotes, bracket close and enter. So whatever I am writing over here, for example, let us use this name Nancy Mehta, or let's use this Kate Miller name. I'll write over here Kate Miller and enter. So it will populate the name which is matching with this search text. Now there is small amendment we are going to do in this formula. Instead of matching the entire range, what we can do, we can use the left formula, left of what? This name range, comma, and how many number of characters? Length of search text, this one, is equal to search text, and hit enter. We need to use double brackets over here and hit enter. So see, it is again populating the same name, but what makes it difference is whatever we are writing, it will pick the first letters from the left side. For example, we have if you see, we have two names, Sanjeev and Sanju Singh. Let us start writing with S. It has populated all the names starting with the S. Now I'll write A. It has populated all the names starting with SA. So whatever I am writing, it is matching the result with this and populating the data against this. So you can use this in your reports, in your summary, in your dashboard. It will give a wow factor in your reports. I am also mentioning the link in the description of this video so that you can download this file and copy and paste the formula. So let us meet in our next video. And also, if you have not subscribed this video, this channel, please subscribe, because we have so many tips and tricks that I'm going to share with you guys. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.